sure our watches are inspired by nature, Scandinavia, fjords, the sun, etc. But let's cut to the chase. Hi guys, I'm Tony. What is AIGI, you may ask? Well, I'm glad you did. We sell awesome watches at even more awesome prices. Do you like the risk of spending big bucks on brand name watches when your girlfriend can do this the next time you're in a fight? Or when you're drunk and want to juggle with your watch while peeing from the dock? So what did you learn from this? Buy our quality yet reasonable price watches so you can keep fighting your girlfriend and juggle when you're drunk. P.S. Our watches are awesome, so you may want to dive to pick it up.